Ari Kigomano-ini kia Mbeu Njithi a gitaru kia Afrika na kiria gitabaniirio nyumba-ini ya micemanio ya kicc, munini wa president Rigathi Gachagua akihumbariri igongona riri.
For pioneering and nurturing this visionary platform.
Gachagua ni athingatite Mbeu Njithi kwaga kwĩira na kugayanaga meciria mao na mĩonere yao muoroto-ini wa gukinyaniria ukuruia wa gitaru kia Afrika.
The challenges we share in your dreams are not just the future, but also the driving force of progress. Let us parity, where young people are the engineers of a bright future for all Africans.
O hindi iyo ni athingatite aigithia ngurani kuigithia gitaru-ini kia Afrika hari gukinyaniria muoroto wa gitaru giki, akinyitwo mbaru ni atongoria angi aria magwikinyitie Kigomano-ini giki.
Distinguished guests, esteemed youth, on this note, allow me to conclude by welcoming our partners to work with us in supporting outstanding projects towards realizing Agenda 2030 of the Sustainable Development Goals.
And we can only stop that with your force, with your energy, and also with our commitment and making sure that what we deliver is really, responsive to your needs. We are here, and this gathering has proven the collective commitment, the collective dedication towards the Africa we want.
No na kuri uguo atongoria a honge na ikundi ngurani cia gitaru giki kia Afrika ni moritio kuheaga Mbeu Njithi mweke wa kuonania uria mangihota niguo kumakuria hari utongoria wa rucio.
I would like to take the opportunity to remind the honorable ministers of youth and all gathered here today about the role of the African Union, which NEPAD is part of the whole AU. But the outer NEPAD, as I said, is the implementing arm of the African Union. Ministers of Youth, you are members of the organ of the AU through what is called the Specialized Technical Committee on Youth, Sports and Culture.